my God. Is this me? Oh my God. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please do subscribe and like this video before you continue watching, and please watch to the end. So today I'm going to transform this my lady who wants to be a boy by making dreadlocks. I told her. So today I'm going to transform her. Please ignore me, okay? She's going for an event, so we need to transform her. So right now I'm braiding the locks, because the more I braid it becomes bulky behind. I decided to end halfway. So look how I did it. I just did it and I ended up sewing everything together to make it flat. So you just have to figure out a way to make it really flat. So if she came with bigger blocks, I couldn't do it, but I think this was really easy for me to do. So guys, if you know your locks are bigger than this, please don't try to go for a wig, because there's no way I'm going to do this. I don't know how I'm going to sew this, because the biggest wig caps are not available. You get something and your head is just big, you know, you don't need that. So her sizes were just enough to wear a wig. So maybe in 2 months time she can't wear a wig again. So when I was done braiding and sewing it, I actually use got to be gel to lay her edges and then wear the wig cap like I usually do in my other videos. So if you have not watched the previous videos, please go and watch how I do it. Alright, to match her skin perfectly, I had to use a foundation a little bit darker than her skin shades, and then it was a struggle to wear the wig, guys, because of the too much hair behind. Look how I had to pull everything. Oh my God. So I had to ask her to help me pull the front part. This is a rough work. This is not a real professional way of wearing it. But anyways, we have to do what we have to do to make it work. So guys, just do what you can do and then follow my style and add yours to make it perfect. But I think we actually got a good result. So I asked her to help me pull the wig in front because the hair behind couldn't let the wig cap come in front smoothly. So she had to help me. The cap was really big, but the hair on her head, sorry, I'm steamed, but please, if you yawn, just put your hand up.
They never show all these parts on the YouTube video. They never show how it had to break your neck.
So I went ahead and cut the lace and tried to use my hot comb to maybe to separate the hair from, like, to really smoothen the hair, and then went ahead and create my baby hairs. So don't forget, this is a closure wig, which is which means the closure is just at the center of the wig. So we are trying to make it wear it as a frontal. So as I'm using my hot comb to flatten the roof of the hair, I'll go ahead and cut the baby hairs. The shorter you cut it, the more natural it looks. So guys, when I'm done cutting, I'm going to show you guys how it looks, and then we were complete with the look. You know what, guys, when it comes to teaching people, I don't really know how to explain, but if I have to do it with my hands, it's very easy. So if you are a visual learner, this is your channel. To explain, I don't think you understand real well. Explanation is a thing for me. I cannot really explain. So right now we are using the water and conditioner mixture to bring back the curls. So just put a little bit of leave-in conditioner in water, shake and spray on your hair, then you're good to go.
Let me see this. I know I'm very blind, so I cannot even see. Oh my god, is this me? Oh my god.
Right.
So this is you believe this, you did this to me. You completely changed me. Oh my god. I can't believe this. Oh, Stacey, this is very nice.
I made it easy for you to remove, so I didn't want to sew. So just in case you don't feel comfortable, you can just remove the ribbon. Your cornrows you need to cut. You need to be careful. No,
Sorry.
Let me do my work.
Yes, madam.
Okay, we are done.